I don't know about you lot, but I absolutely love a fish finger sandwich. So we're gonna have a crack at making a giant fish finger sandwich, homemade. I've got some really cheap fish fillets. This was only £2.49 for the pack. We're gonna have a go at making them ourselves. So we're going to start off by breading the fish. We've got ourselves a little production line here. We've got our frozen fish, which I've allowed to defrost overnight. We've also got a bowl for our flour, bowl for our eggs, and also I've got some breadcrumbs here. These breadcrumbs are homemade breadcrumbs, simple enough to make. 5 slices of stale bread, blitz it up in a food processor, oven bake it for about 15 minutes, and this is the result. And it's far, far cheaper than buying any shop bought breadcrumbs. So into our first bowl, plain flour. Second bowl, just gonna crack in a couple of eggs. Just gonna season the flour, bit of salt, bit of black pepper in there as well. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our fish into the seasoned flour first. Shake off any excess, into the egg wash, make sure it's all nicely coated, and then into the breadcrumbs. Just get a generous coating on there. It's a nice little activity you could probably do with your kids as well. They wanted to try and make their own fish fingers. Just gonna go away, wash my hands, and then we can get them into the oven. So we're gonna whack these in the oven now, 20 minutes at 180 until beautifully golden. So while the fish is cooking in the oven, we can just prep up our bread. I've gone with 1 piece of bread slice because we're gonna make a giant one, but feel free to use whatever you've got in your cupboards, anything you've got knocking around. You can use whatever sauce you like with this, but I'm gonna go tomato ketchup on the one side and tartar sauce on the other side. A little bit of lettuce on there. And this is now ready for our fish straight from the oven. It's going to come out of the oven and it's going to look something like this. It really is just about loading this up now. So I'm going to get every single piece onto this sandwich, load it all up and just stack it high. I mean, if we were being sensible, you could make 3, 4, even 5 sandwiches from this, but we're going to be mental today, make it nice and high. And now for the lid. And look at that. I mean, look, the reality is we're making one giant one here, but you could easily make 3, 4, even 5 sandwiches from this, and I'm going to attempt to cut it in half now, but I think we need the hacksaw out, not this. Look at that for a cross section.